Sombrero dyan. Hindi pwede sombrero dyan. Hindi lang kapag talagang barel. Ay, sorry. Ang baril mo, hindi pwede yan. Sasabi mo mga kung baril dyan.
Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we?
Hindi pwede ganito dyan, baka kunin.
Genius move.
So, yan.
We totally scammed you. Try not to break it, idiot. You're a little too handsy for my taste, idiot.
May isda.
Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we? What do you need that for? Totally scammed you.
No? Sabi mo? Huh?
You'll be hearing from my lawyer, mark my words. Do that again, I dare you. I'll remember this insult, count on it. How dare you?
Mayo ka
Try
dyan.
not to break it, idiot.
Mayo ka, dyan mo. Ito, pakatagal mo. Ay, sorry. Tabi ka nga dyan. Tumibig ka nga dyan.
Hope you know what you're doing, dummy.
Oh.
Guess you finally got the memo.
Next. Halika dito.
Oh,
Halika dito. Baliw ka ba? Hindi ba bawal nga dyan?
No
Bawal
problem.
nga
I wasn't
ganyan.
using it anyway. Penny saved, penny earned.
Huwag
You want a
magsalita.
piece
Huwag
of
kang
me?
magsalita.
Come at me, bro.
Ano?
That's a... What do you need that for?
No?
You're dressing me
No.
up now? Don't you have better things to do, dummy? Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius. Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we? Took you long enough to notice that, genius?
Bunga nga mo.
If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot. He totally scammed you.
Bunga nga mo. Ingay mo.
I'd say I'm surprised, but this place clearly lacks standards. Found your intellectual equal? That is not useful, idiot.
Bunga nga mo. Lisip ka.
Next time, learn some manners before you
Oh,
Ow!
no,
You got a real
no.
nerve, idiot.
Kalamingay.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
Paingay niya ito. Sayang, sapak na kita eh. Next, dali, pasok.
I can't wait to see what everyone's talking about inside.
Hindi ka kasali dito, hindi ka pwede. No.
Sorry to bother you. I'll just find another place tonight.
Ka dito, dali. Nakatagal mo naman lumapit.
So let's make it simple. Mark Henry and move on.
Ano? Sabi mo? Sabi mo?
Touch me again and I'll have your job. You want to pick me?
Bunganga mo. Kato dito. Dito.
You'll be hearing from my lawyer. Mark my words. You better appreciate that idiot. Totally scammed you. Yeah, sure, help yourself, dummy.